I hope you get a clear idea about how boxing plant work and which kind of thing that you need, and how you can enable your billing account, and how can you set your caller ID, what is the use of call piston, what is the call events, what is the ASR model, what is the ASR profile, how you can trigger your first call, what are the events. I think you understand everything. So if you want to learn more, just refer to the boxing plant official documentation. Let's explain the whole code. Okay, so this is the first line when we are just attaching or requiring our module just like AI in ASR. We take some variables just like call, ASR or city name, and after this we just hit this app event dot started. Our call is started now, and then after we set a caller ID, and after that we just set the our call piston. Okay, and then after that we just trigger another event, that is call event dot connected, means that our call is now connected. Then after we just see here on call connected function, we just jump into the on call connected function, and when the call is successfully connected, then we can listen this thing. We are using call.say to play this text in MP3 format something. So we can easily listen that just like, hi friend, ask me about the weather of any city. After playing this, we need to stop this event, we need to finish this playback finish something. So we need to again use call.add event listener, call event dot playback finish. Then after we jump to the next function, that is listen to user, means that we just say, hi friend, ask me weather of any city. Now it's turn to the user will respond back with some any city name. So we need to create a ASR. Why we need to create a ASR? We need to capture the response from user, just like user are going to say the city name, we need to capture the city name. So we are creating our ASR, we are using our some Google ASR profile, we also use Google ASR model, and then after we just hit on the ASR event dot result, and this event is triggered when recognition result received from ASR. Then after handle result function will call, we just go here, and inside this parameter we get our city response as in text format. So how we can print that, just like for debugging purpose we are using console.log in just like Visual Studio Code. In boxing plant you need to write this logger.write and whatever the text you set or whatever the information you want. So inside E we can get our city name. So now we need to stop our ASR. Why we need to stop our ASR? Because we are already get our city name. The city name currently reside in this inside E. Okay, so we need to stop our ASR. If you not stop your ASR, then it will continuously fetching your voice or some any input. After that we need to again playback finish. Then we just transfer this city name into another variable, that is city name, and we can also print that city name if you want to see some debug side thing. Then after we need to just say one confirmation, just like I heard the city name just like Bengaluru, is that right? It take confirmation from your side. Maybe ASR is not working properly, or due to some noise, whatever the user said, just like user said Bengaluru, it will fetch as a Bengaluru, something like it, means that wrong word. So it will ask you a confirmation, whatever you said that is right or wrong. If you said no, then it will ask you again, but if you said yes, means that the city name is right, then it will fetch the temperature of that particular city. So after that we will just jump into the verify city name function. Again we need to create a ASR. Why we again create to ASR? We need to fetch the response from user, that is no or yes. So definitely we need to create a ASR. The process is same. We need to again use the ASR profile, we need to again use the ASR model, and after that we just jump into this part, that is verify city confirmation next. We jump on the next function, and we need to match our response. Just like currently, let user say no or user say yes. we need to match this thing. If e.text equal to no, so what we need to bot will say, the bot will say please tell me city name again. So again it will go back to the same flow. Again user will say the city name, again it will ask a confirmation that whatever you said is right or wrong. If you said no, it will ask you again, or if you said yes, it will go to the next section or fetch the temperature of that particular city. Let's jump here. Let's suppose user said yes, means that this condition will work. We just call this function call API and passing the city name. Okay, so this function will trigger, and we are using this weather API to fetch the temperature of any city. So we also passing this city as a parameter. So whatever the city name we get, this will pass in this city, and we get temperature of that particular city. And after getting that temperature, then bot will say temperature of city is just like Bengaluru is 26 degrees Celsius. So we just post our city name in this particular API. So this is the method how we can post our data in particular API, and this is the way we can use API to post some data, and there is same like ways to get some data from the API. So I hope you will understand how boxing plant works, and after that I will also show you how can make a call and what the bot will say, and when I say the city name, it will get back with the temperature of that particular city.